Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how we can print the current time in Python. It's a very four to five liner code. It's very easy. So let's get started. First we'll import our libraries. So we have to import just one library, which is datetime. So from datetime import datetime. Okay, then we have to make a variable which is now, and it's equal to datetime dot now, which will give the time of now, which is the current time. And then we have to make another variable which is current time is equal to now, which is the time now, and now we have to tell it like in which form we want it. So strf time, and now if you want it in hours and minutes, so we do r, then colon, and then percentage m. So and now we can print the statement print current time. Okay, save it, run code, and now we can see 13:26, which is the exact time 1:26. So it's working. And now if we want it in seconds too, so we can just give a colon and a percentage sign and an s. So h means hours, m means minutes, and s means seconds. So let's save it, Control S, and run. And we got the answer, which is 13:26:38, which is 1:26. So yeah, it's giving the exact second at which we ran the program. So thank you guys. You can see this code. It's a very logical code, nothing very difficult. So thank you guys, and I'll meet you in another video.